Okay, everyone. Well, today's video is a quick video that is about this nifty rule called the Rule of 72. And the Rule of 72 is really just what I'd call an estimation tool that you can use when you don't have a calculator handy or if you just need to kind of make a quick calculation about an interest rate. And in particular, what the Rule of 72 allows you to do is to calculate, depending on which way you use it, it will calculate the number of periods, usually it's years, number of years, to double an investment at a certain interest rate. Investment at blank percent, whatever percentage you want. Now, just being a math formula, you can move the factors around, and you can also figure out what interest rate do I need. What interest rate do I need to double in so many years that I want? So, for example, and we'll do a couple of examples here so you can see how this works. But suppose you just had $1,000 and you knew that you needed $2,000 in 5 years. And you wondered to yourself, well, how much interest do I need to earn in order for me to double my $1,000 investment to $2,000 in 5 years? And once you knew the answer, then you could go look in the market and see whether or not there is a place for you to earn that kind of interest rate. So let's do a couple of quick examples. This is a pretty straightforward process. So let's say you wanted to invest, or let's say you did invest $100, a one-time investment. And let's say that you were fortunate enough, I don't know where you get that these days, but you got a 9% interest rate. In order to figure out how much time it would take for that $100 to become $200, you would use the rule of 72. And you could take 72 divided by the interest rate, which is 9%, right? This comes over here. And that equals 8 years. It's that simple. So again, you invest $100 at 9%, and in order to figure out how much time it takes to double, this is double, so after 8 years you'll have $200. And using the rule of 72, it's simply 72 divided by the 9% equals 8 years. Okay. Now let's twist that around. You can kind of see how it works the other way. So again, let's suppose that you have $100 to invest one time, same thing, and you have this goal of you need $200 in 8 years. Let's say you're going to go buy a watch that costs $200 and you want to put $100 in the bank today and do nothing more, and you know that you're going to need to have $200 in 8 years to go make that purchase. And your question is, how much interest do I need to earn on that $100 so that I don't need to put in any more money of my own in order to have $200 in 8 years? Well, it's just the reverse of what we did up here. You still take 72, but in this case we're dividing by 8 years. So here I should probably, just to make it 9% equals 8 years. Here we're dividing by 8 years, and of course 72 divided by 8 is 9, but in this case the result is 9%. Okay, and so this is, again, the same thing, double to $200, but we've just done it a different way. We've just said I have $100 to put in. I know when I need it to double. I need it to double in 8 years. What do I need to earn in order for that to happen? And in this case, the answer is 9%. Now, of course, it doesn't matter. You'll notice that nowhere in this calculation is the $100. The $100 isn't relevant to the calculation. What's important is either dividing by the interest rate or dividing by the years, and then the result, if you divide by the interest rate, of course, is years, and the result, if you divide by the years, is the interest rate. And 72 will also be your numerator, or the top number here in your division, every single time. Now, there are other rules. There's the rule of 70 and the rule of 69. We'll talk about those in other videos, so tune into those. Hopefully this is a good quick exercise on the rule of 72. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.